Good morning, urban farmers. Today at Siddhivinayak Farm, Koloshi. It's a bright morning on 18th of July 2021. We'll see the progress of the saplings that we have put in our nursery. So already I have transplanted a few. Last time you have seen that we have taken account of how many survivals of the seeds that we have planted. So you can see what I will be doing today. Irfan, please, if you can come. So this is our bottle gourd. Okay, we have to just uproot it from bottom like this. Okay, before it the roots are not damaged. And once this is done, we'll take this. Okay, along with the soil if possible. We'll go and then we'll plant it. See, we have our mango field around, so they will act as a very good anchor. Irfan, can you come?
Sure.
So we'll find a good place for it to. So here you can see, oh, it's already a big hole. That's the bank. So this place is nice, Irfan.
Yeah, we can plan here.
This place is nice.
Yeah.
So what we have to do, we have to dig up. We have to dug up this soil now. Okay, I'll just dig this up. And then I have already done, you can see here. This is fun, come along. So yesterday in the evening itself we have done some transplantation. This is, you can see here, this one is snake gourd. Just if one get it here close. Okay, the snake gourd which we have planted yesterday evening. You can see how it has, like, see the leaves. The leaves will tell whether it has like taken hold of the soil or not. So it is doing well. So we have done many plantations. You see here one more. This is snake gourd. And Irfan, just let's move around in the field. So snake gourd, you can see that is the ridge gourd out there, and it is also like success. The transplantation is almost successful because the plant itself will tell. You can see just come in. That new one has already taken the anchor. See, it has taken hold of this anchor and now it will move and spread out. So it's almost a success story. Irfan, come. Yeah, Irfan, come. So today morning, what we have decided is to transplant all our 7 seeds around this field. You can see it is having nearly 100 mango plants and 50 cashew plants. So they will be acting as an anchor for our saplings. And one more thing we'll be doing here. Come here, Irfan. I've seen here. I have prepared this bed. Now this bed is, I'll be sowing okra, I'll be sowing beans, and we have lemongrass. So this is what we'll be doing in here. This is what I have planned for today. And then we'll be preparing nursery bed in which I'll be planting tomatoes, brinjal and chili. So I'll show you the update how we go ahead with all that. Okay, thank you very much, urban farmers.